Alright boys and girls, it's raining like a mofo today, but we're not stopping on car work. Today we're gonna put in the AUX, one of these, about a £5 from eBay, and connect it to this AUX unit so that you can play your MP3's in your E65. Now many of you who have E65, it's very annoying that in most of the models you get just a CD player. In some later models you can get the MP3, but still annoying. You want to have a lot of music on there at low cost. So that's the way to do it, guys. You need to pop off this plastic or wood-ish trim around. For this you need some of these tools. You don't have to have them, but it's good to invest a £5 in these various tools, and then you can have all that you need to take off all the trim on your BMW. So you literally just pop off this front fascia on here, just slide it under like that, and just simple as that, comes off. Then there are just a couple of screws here, basically two at the side. So unscrew them and pop it out. So then, once you've unscrewed it, just pull out your AUX unit. Now this is for your keypad. So you just need to unhook it. So we've unhooked that. Then you need to take this out somehow. Or maybe you don't need to. Maybe you can just stick in your AUX unit adapter in there. Let's give it a try now.